Hey guys, Ramsey Sprayel. Today we're in a commercial setting tackling some concrete block with some organic growth. Today we're going to be soft washing. Yes, there's differences when soft washing and pressure washing this kind of material. Today we're going to be soft washing due to the stains and the dirtiness of this block. Today we're using a 3% chemical mixture, as that is ideal for brick and cobblestone like we have here today. Today we have a 3% mixture with a little bit of surfactant, about 1 to 2 ounces in our current mixture right now. We're going to be showing you how this is done, desired angles to spray at, and a before and after shot. All right guys, today we're using a dedicated soft wash unit due to the nature of what we are spraying, because these cinder block stones that we're going to be spraying, it's a little bit easier to clean it with a soft wash system, as well as to not damage the surface level of this concrete, as well as to get the organic growth out of it. Dedicated soft wash system is ideal. All right, water demons, now we're going to get this thing started.
All right guys, as previously mentioned, we're starting with a 3% bleach mix, perfect for breaking down algae, mold, and mildew without damaging the surface. As you can see, soft washing uses a low pressure to preserve the integrity of the cinder block while delivering great results. High pressure can cause damage, that's why we're not using it in this scenario. To rinse this piece of cinder block, we're using our Spartan soft wash unit. This ensures precision and consistency, making the process efficient and professional every time. This is a proportioned 7 gallon a minute soft wash unit. After doing the initial wash with the chlorine mix, we're going to rinse with water as the final step, gently washing away dirt and residue to reveal a restored surface while protecting those nearby plants and areas. As you can see, there we have it, a stunning transformation, all thanks to the soft wash system and the Spartan unit we are using today. With these before and after pictures, you can tell that this surface is gone through a complete renewal.
All right guys, thank you for watching. As you saw in the time lapse, we did do a post-treat rinse with water. Also, when you're washing around plants, as we didn't show it today, but we will go into more detail in another video, you're going to make sure you rinse with water. You either cover with plastic or use a neutralizing agent in order to ensure that these plants don't die when you are spraying with chlorine. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching.